The fox sold meat. In the village of a group of wild animals, a fox opened a store selling meat at the end of the street. The animals of the village like to buy meat from the fox. One day, a cat came to the shop and said, "I want a small piece of mutton." The fox replied, "You are just a cat. I think you'd be better off hunting mice to eat." The fox refused to sell the mutton to the cat. The next day, a dog came to the butcher's shop to buy deer meat. The fox got very angry and threw a bone at the dog, saying, "A bone is enough for a simple dog like you." The next day, a Bengal tiger came to the shop and said, "I want a wild pig steak. Do you have any?" The fox respectfully bowed and said, "I have a wide variety of quality meats. If you want, I can even deliver them to you at your home." The strong and powerful will be taken care of better than the weak.